Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my AEP 858 Module 5 Continuous Improvement for USD 351. Who are we? Here in the Maxwell School District, we have an enrollment of approximately 237 students. We also have about 30 certified staff members, and those staff members are predominantly white. The population of the town is around 500, but it is a rural community, and so the total district covers an area of about 360 square miles. So our students come from a ways away to come to school here in Maxwell. The student-to-teacher ratio is 10 to 1. Our student body is slightly more males with about 52%, and females are at about 48%. We have about 66% students that are economically disadvantaged, as well as about 25% that are ELL. Our ethnicity, the largest is white at about 62%. Then the next largest is Hispanic at about 33%. We have about 5% other, and then about 0.42% African American. How do we do business? As discussed with my building principal in Module 3, we do perception surveys, which are sent out so community members can fill it out to kind of give us their views and opinions of what we do in the school. We also have monthly district leadership teams. These meetings are held kind of to have conversations of what needs to be done to meet the teachers' needs. We also have SIT meetings to discuss student needs, and this is especially done before special education services can be received for a student. We have various committee meetings. This is partially being done to meet some of the KESA requirements. And then we have monthly staff meetings just to kind of talk about everything that's going on and what we need to do for our students. Where are we now? Looking at our state assessment data for math, in 2015 and 2016, most of our students were in the level 1 to level 2. It was around 75% both of those years. And then in 2017 and 2018, it was fairly comparable data with most of those students being in the level 1 to 2. So there's limited in the level 4 and level 3. I mean, less than 20 to 25% of our students are in that top level 3 and level 4. And then for reading, the data is it's comparable. We might have slightly more in the level 4, but approximately 67% of our data is in that level 1 to 2. So our reading scores are slightly higher than our math scores have been. Looking at our attendance rates, as I did in Module 3, we have about, in 2017, it was about an 88.5% attendance. That's for graduation. The graduation rate in 2017 was 88.5%, and in 2018 it was 100%. So great data for this past year as far as the graduation rate. And then the attendance rate, it's around 95%, which is comparable to the district average. To the state average. Our district is very comparable to that. Why do we exist? Our district just works to provide students with a safe learning environment so they can learn and grow. And our district has a foundation for education that was established in 2008 by a group of concerned citizens. They provide resources to assure a margin of excellence in the educational experience for all students through a partnership of our surrounding communities within our district in the Maxwell Public Schools. So this was established to provide students with educational opportunities above and beyond those that are provided by the state, because this group believed that the quality of life in a community is directly related to its educational system. So that's kind of why our school exists, kind of to provide those opportunities. Where do we want to be? We would like to increase our state assessment scores, get more of those students in the level 3 and 4 range. Also keep our graduation rate at 100% as it was in 2018, and keep the attendance rate over 95%. If we can keep those students in school, we can that'll hopefully help increase those state assessment scores and just the contact time that the students have with the teachers, increasing their overall success. Thanks for listening.